Sabi ni Dayo.
Aita Street.
Tumatawa. Tinatawanan lang.
Upo na kayo. Mag-watch tayo ng performance nila. Upo kayo po. Yan na. Responsible na sila. Upo kayo po.
Okay po, start na po tayo.
Sige po.
Happy afternoon po and mabuhay. Welcome po dito sa Aita Trail po. A few minutes po, the Aita Brothers po ay magpatutag po ng aming pong traditional dances po. Okay po, bago po tayo mag-start, short history lang po para po sa amin. Long before the Americans came here, they converted the whole Subic Forest into their military facilities. Aitas have already been living here. In culture preserved and handed down from generation to generation. And that's why here at Subic Safari, we highly regard and revere our Aitas as the true owners of the forest. And indeed, this is their ancestral land po. Okay po, for the first dance po is the dragonfly dance. Whenever they see a group of dragonflies swarming around, this is a syndicate, the arrival of the rainy season. The ready winter season comes the planting season, then informing the other tribe of the whole tribe about the silent changes of the weather. Once again po, the dragonfly dance. Okay po, for the next dance naman po is monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. They do believe that monkeys are great hunters in the wild and no other animal can match the ability in terms of hunting and foraging. Ito po ay ginagawa ng mga bata or kabataang Aita. Pero tapos yung mga matatanda naman po sa amin, sila po yung naghahanap ng pagkain or searching for food. So once again po.
Nagulat eh. Yay! Nagulat eh.
Okay po, for the other dance naman po is war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani. Whenever misunderstanding arises between two tribes, I usually send their young men into the actual battlefield. But before that, first perform this dance to ask guidance from our God Apo na Malyari to lead them to a victorious fight or somehow they resolve the problem in a peaceful manner. Once again po, the war dance.
Yay!
That's the end of our presentation po for our brothers. Thank you po. Sa mga gusto po magpa-picture, dito naman po tayo sa gitna.
Alright.
Mag-donate po sa aming donation box, any amount po is highly appreciated po. Thank you po.